Instagram's broadcast channels let you send updates, photos, and polls directly to your followers' inbox. In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up your very own broadcast channel. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open the Instagram app on your device. Now you want to tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on this pencil icon. Now you will find the option of create broadcast channel. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you will have to enter your channel name, then select your audience, then decide if you want the channel to be visible on your profile for easy access. Once you're happy with the settings, tap create broadcast channel. Now, Instagram will prompt you to invite followers. You can do this by sending a one time invitation, sharing a link, posting it on a story, or creating a QR code. Now, if you do not find the option of create broadcast channel, then that is because there are certain criteria to get this feature. The first one is you should be using a professional account. This doesn't work on a private or personal account. So if you haven't switched to a personal account, go ahead and do that. For that, you can simply head over to settings and activity, then select account type in tools and head over to switch to professional account. If you have already switched to a professional account and you're still not getting this feature, then you want to make sure that you're using the updated version of Instagram. Remember that broadcast channels are live in many, but not on all countries. So if this feature is not available in your region, you will not be able to find this option. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.